Hey there, how was doing? This is Kali from Techfanciers. And here it is. This is Mi Band 3, which is the latest fitness band from the brand Xiomi. Cost only 2000 Indian currency. In other hand, I have M3 smart band, which has a heart rate sensor and all the most of these things which this Mi Band 3 has. And it costs around 400 Indian currency. Well, here comes the thing. This 400 band will survive with 2000 band. Well, let's find out. First of all, I have to tell this, I bought this M3 band from Snapdeal, but I didn't receive what I ordered. The picture I seen different from the product that I am having right now. So while ordering it, just make sure to read the description and reviews. And the build quality wise, both the devices are having same design. The strap quality is same, but you can feel that which one is from Mi and which one is from M3. Both the strap will fit to both the devices because the size and fit of the devices are similar. The Mi Band 3 is single color display. The color is like green plus white. In other hand, M3 band comes with multicolor display. This provides mostly 3 to 4 colors of the text and details. While talking about the display, I have to mention this. The M3 band's display will portray even small scratches because of fiber display. Well, now we come to the accuracy level. I'm not sure about the accuracy level, but the reading from the both the devices having some similarities. While talking about the heart rate, the Mi band shows 77 and this M3 band shows the 76. Both of them are similar. And here is the specification part. The Mi band 3 has heart rate sensor, workout module calculations and weather report. The M3 band comes with the heart rate calculation, blood pressure reading and workout module. Well, now we talk about the handles of both the bands. The Mi band 3 works with the help of Mi Fit app, which has an ability to track and keep the records in online account. Also, the app has ability to add your friends and you can even take a view of your friends' tracking details. In other hand, M3 band works with the Yoho Sports app. The app interface is as good as Mi Fit, but it doesn't have the facility to make friends environment. Also, you can't save your track records on cloud using Google account or Facebook. You need to use WeChat account to save all your records. The interface wise, the Mi 3 looks more advanced and technical, but the Mi Band 3 giving some animation while on the usage. And the M3 band has 3 themes. 2 of them shows only railway time. I tried to change to AM PM format, but there is no option, so I'm using the last theme right now. And I noticed that while pairing this device to this Yoho Sports app, the device itself doesn't asking for any confirmation. It automatically connecting to this device. From the app, you can bound and unbound the band. With the Yoho Sports app, whoever standing near to me, they can connect to my band. Also, there is an option called Shake to take selfie. It's working. Shake the band and take the selfie. And I have to tell this, both the apps are energy consumers. Both the band provides call facility, WhatsApp and Telegram notification facilities. All the stuff will be there. Well, at the end of this video, the Mi Band 3 is the coolest one. And I will tell you why and how. The battery backup wise, with the minimal use of the band stands for 5 to 6 days. Without using heart rate and unpaired state, the band stands still from 20 to 25 days. The facility what they are providing actually usable and working fine. In other hand, we have M3 band. It has more facilities than the Mi Band 3, like the color display, blood pressure monitor. You can't imagine in this price range, but hey, there is something you need to know. This band stands only 12 to 18 hours if you pair with your device and using all the facilities. Sometimes only 6 to 8 hours. It's unpredictable. If you are using the band as a normal watch to see time and calories that you burned, it stands for 3 to 4 days. You can feel that it's fine. Okay, it can provide 4 days, but the charging part is kind of something when it's come to detaching the device from the strap and connecting to the cable and using charger. There is something. Just think, if you want to charge your band every other day means what it feels, how work it is. After the first day of usage, the M3 band's vibrator is not working. Also, you have to worry about the scratches on the display in M3 band. Well, while comparing to Mi Band 3, the M3 band is 4 times lesser in the cost. But if you want to invest at good, just go with Mi Band 3. Well, if you want to get cool functionalities with the low price, then go with M3 band. Also, you can give this to your friends, they will really like it. Definitely. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. And I don't have any intent to make marketing or discourage anything in this video. I just delivered what I got from this. So yeah, thanks once again. Happy New Year. Kot matam.